If you're looking for a quick and easy recipe that you can throw together on a weeknight, you need to try this vegetarian minestrone soup. It comes together in a minute and the whole family is going to love it, whether they're vegan or not. So let me show you how we make it. Hi, I'm Stephanie. I share plant-based recipes, tips, and product tests so that your transition to a plant-based diet will be easier than mine was. So whether you want to just add a few healthy meals to your diet or you are looking to go 100% vegan, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the good stuff. Today we are going to make our minestrone soup in the Instant Pot. You can do this on the stovetop if you would like, but I like the Instant Pot because you dump everything in and push the soup button and it's all done in about a half an hour. The first thing you need to do is add some vegetable broth, but today I'm going to try using these better and bouillon flavorings. This is the vegetable one and then also the no chicken one. We're going to use a combination of the two of those. So let's see how these look. This is the vegetable one. It's dark colored. It's like all your vegetables have been cooked down and adds a ton of flavor, like you've been cooking your soup for days upon days. So then we have our no chicken bouillon flavor, and we're going to add those two together, and it should make an excellent soup base for the rest of our ingredients. Once we get those all mixed together, we are going to add our red beans, and then we're going to want to add some chickpeas. Now you can save your chickpea liquid. I always like to save mine because I use it in baking and other things. But once you've drained that and you've saved your chickpea liquid, you can dump your chickpeas into your pot. And then you're going to want 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables. These frozen mixed vegetables are peas, carrots, corn, and also some green beans. Give that a quick stir, and you can add in some onions, and then you'll want to add 1 can of petite diced tomatoes. The petite diced basically just means that they're chopped smaller than your typical diced tomatoes, and I like them that way better because I do not like big chunks of tomatoes. Once that's in, we're going to add our seasoning. That's some basil, and then we'll add some Italian seasoning to this as well. If you do have Italian seasoned tomatoes, you can add those here, add a little extra flavor if you'd like. And then now we're going to add our chickpea pasta. I'm using Banza brand. There are different brands of chickpea pasta. I like this one the best. It does not fall apart completely in your soup, and it tastes great, adding a lot of protein to your soup as well. So dump your pasta in, and then you can give it a quick stir, add your enough water to cover the tops of the vegetables, and a little bit of salt. Once that's all mixed together, it's super simple. You just put your lid on, make sure that it's sealed, press your soup button, and take a break for about a half an hour, and dinner will be ready. Ooh, look at that soup. It looks fantastic. Our minestrone soup is all done. It came together so quickly, easy to make. It looks really good. If you're looking for some more vegan recipes, check out the end card right here. So good.